Are you looking that as fishing grows in popularity among hobbyists and professionals, the need for precise gear has never been higher. Among essential tools, fishing scales stand out for their role in helping anglers accurately weigh catches, track progress, and comply with tournament rules. Whether you're a weekend angler or a competitive pro, choosing the right scale involves weighing switch type, clip or hook, build quality, waterproofing, display visibility, and value. Here are the best fishing scales on the market today. List 1. BUBBA Smart Fish Scale. Tournament fishing tool, built-in fish clip and hook. 2 modes, digital screen, 60-pound limit. The BUBBA Smart Fish Scale is built for tournament-level precision. It features dual weighing modes, clip or hook, to securely handle your catch and deliver consistent results. The waterproof digital screen is easy to read in all lighting, while the rugged build ensures long-term durability. It can store weights for up to 8 fish, making it ideal for competitive scenarios. Its 60-pound limit covers most freshwater and saltwater fish, and the smart culling system helps you make quick decisions during tournaments. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, and the intuitive interface means you won't waste time fiddling with settings when you could be casting. If you're serious about performance and reliability, this scale is worth the premium price. List number: Cast King Fishing Pliers, Fish Lip Gripper, or Fish Scale Combo Saltwater Resistant Fishing Tools, Fishing Gear with Rubber Handle. This combo tool from Cast King delivers multi-functionality at an excellent value. The Fish Lip Gripper doubles as a digital scale, combining utility and precision in one compact package. Designed to resist corrosion from saltwater, this tool is ideal for inshore or offshore fishing. The heavy-duty rubber handle offers a secure grip even when wet, and the built-in scale provides accurate weight readings up to 50 pounds. While not as advanced as some standalone scales, the all-in-one design makes this perfect for minimalist anglers. Plus, the included pliers are great for hook removal and other quick fixes on the water. List number: Cast King Fish Scale, Wide View Floating Waterproof Digital Scale. 2.5 inches large LCD display, 110 pounds capacity. Designed with rugged outdoor use in mind, the Cast King Wide View Digital Scale is waterproof, floats in case it falls overboard, and boasts a massive 110 pounds capacity. The extra-large 2.5 inches LCD screen with backlight ensures visibility in any lighting. What sets this model apart is the floating design and IPX6 waterproof rating, making it ideal for kayak or surf fishing. The built-in memory function stores up to 9 weight readings and auto-calibrates for top-tier accuracy. It also includes a retractable tape measure for length verification. This is a perfect choice for anglers who want maximum reliability in extreme conditions. List number: Fishing Toolkit. Fishing pliers, digital scale, fish lip gripper with lanyard, fishing accessories and equipment, fishing tool set. This all-in-one fishing toolkit is a great entry-level bundle that offers value for beginner or budget-conscious anglers. It includes digital scales, pliers, and a lip gripper. Everything you need in one package. The scale is accurate and quick to read, while the ergonomic handles provide a good grip. It also includes a lanyard and a portable storage bag. The Fish Lip Gripper ensures secure handling of slippery catches without hurting them. While this kit may not match high-end tournament tools in precision or ruggedness, it's a practical solution for casual trips and weekend warriors. List 5. Cast King Tough Tide Fishing Scale. USB charging, 65-pound capacity, ultra-thin digital fish scale, LCD display, ergonomic handle. The Cast King Tough Tide is a sleek and ultra-thin digital fish scale designed for modern anglers. It supports USB charging, a major upgrade from traditional battery-powered devices, and boasts a 65-pound capacity. The high-contrast LCD display is crystal clear, even in bright daylight, and the ergonomic handle allows for one-handed use. Built for durability, it also includes a hook for quick weighing and a tear function for containers. This model offers a great balance of form and function for tech-savvy fishermen.